The sod. Wrap the corresponding yarn around your fingers like this. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the crossover with your thumb and middle finger. Work one chain stitch first. Then yarn and hook. Put the yarn through the loop and hook. That's one chain stitch. Then work 8 single crochets. Insert hook into the ring, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn and hook. Pull through both loops and hook. That's one single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch. Keep working 7 more single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn and hook, pull through both loops. Let's continue. Eight single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Work one slip stitch in the marked stitch to join this round. Insert hook into this marked stitch, hook the yarn, and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second loop. That's one slip stitch. Round 1 is done. In round 2, first work one chain stitch. Then start from the previous marked stitch to work set of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 4 times. 1 single crochet first. Mark the first stitch. 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay. 1 single crochet and 1 increase are finished. One set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Insert hook into this marked stitch, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second loop. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 1 increase, 2 single crochets for 4 times. Work 1 increase first. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Then work 2 single crochets. One increase and 2 single crochets are finished. One set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We work 1 increase and 2 single crochets as one set. Finally, 1 snip stitch. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 3 single crochets, 1 increase for 4 times. 3 single crochets first. Also mark the first stitch. Continue to work 2 more single crochets in the same way. Next, 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. Finally, work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets for 4 times. 2 single crochets first. Also mark the first stitch. Continue to work 1 more single crochet. Next, 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, 2 single crochets. Two single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets are finished. One set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as one set. Remove the marker. Finally, work 1 snip stitch. Round 5 is done. In round 6, first work 5 chain stitches. Yarn 1 hook, put the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. Keep working the remaining chain stitches. Okay, 5 chain stitches are done. Then turn and skip 3 chain stitches. Work 1 double crochet in the 4th chain. Yarn 1 hook. Insert hook into the back loop of the 1st chain. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn 1 hook. Pull through first 2 loops. Yarn 1 hook again. Pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, also work 1 double crochet. Yarn 1 hook, insert hook into the back loop of the chain, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn 1 hook, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn 1 hook again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Then skip 1 stitch and work 1 snip stitch in the next stitch. Okay, 1 set is done. Repeat 5 chain stitches. Turn and skip 3 chain stitches to work 2 double crochets. One more double crochet. Then skip 1 stitch and work 1 snip stitch in the next stitch. The second set is done. The third set, 5 chain stitches. Turn and skip 3 chain stitches to work 1 double crochet. Also 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and work 1 snip stitch in the next stitch. The third set is done. The fourth set, 5 chain stitches. Turn and skip 3 chain stitches to work 1 double crochet. One double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch and work 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. The 4th set is done. We need to finish 12 sets in total. Please finish the rest 8 sets in the same way by yourself. The last set, 5 chain stitches. Turn and skip 3 chain stitches to work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, also work 1 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch and work 1 slip stitch in the last stitch. Break yarn tail round hook and pull the tail out. Leave a long end for sewing.